Have you heard about e-hailing cars? Must have heard. But have you ever heard of e-hailing? Cars that are driven by women and have only female passengers?
Hello guys, my name is Windy and Shanli. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Sarhia Listai with philosophy.
My name is Glenn.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. First of all, I want to introduce about myself. My name is Nur Sharmila binti Abdullah, semester.
Hello guys, my name is Nur Imelza binti Tuzan.
In this presentation, I'm going to talk about the first one is brainstorm goal. The goal of brainstorming out to solve issue, generate innovation or new ideas, make abstract concept more understandable or achievable, simplify ideas that are too complex or challenging to implement, foster creativity and teach critical thinking. Next.
So guys, I will continue with description of the problem to be discussed. We should update existing transport and taxi application for the use of female passengers, such as having various translation, only female drivers, and so on. Every team's member will have a unique set of ideas.
So today I'm going to discuss about my idea for this project. The integration of a translator in Grab e-hailing service for one driver is crucial for addressing safety concerns, promoting cultural sensitivity, and enhancing economic empowerment. By facilitating clear and inclusive communication, Grab can better support women in overcoming barriers to enter the ride-hailing industry, ultimately leading to a more diverse and equitable platform.
Okay, my idea of this project is the ways. Okay, choosing ways to improve Grab e-hailing service, particularly for the woman driver and woman passenger, can significantly safety, navigations, efficiency, and overall user experience. Here are the several reasons why Waze is a suitable choice. Okay, the first one is the real-time traffic update, community-based alert, routing flexibility, user-friendly interface, and the interactions with the Grab.
Next, I'm going to talk about is idea. Here is my idea for this prototype. My idea for this prototype is emergency button. Implementing an emergency button in Grab e-hailing service for women drivers and women passengers is a crucial enhancement aimed at improving safety and providing peace of mind. Here are the primary reasons for this choice. The first one is immediate access to emergency assistance. Second is enhanced safety perception. Third is real-life incident response. Fourth, encouragement of responsible use. And the last one is comprehensive safety framework.
Okay, idea from me, which is type of payment. Type of payment. Offering a variety of payment options is critical for improving Grab as e-hailing service for women driver and women passenger, as it provides flexibility, convenience, and financial empowerment. Here are some key reasons why diverse payment types are essential. First, accessibility and inclusivity, financial autonomy, convenience and efficiency, fraud prevention, and data insight.
Okay, the last idea is car seater. Choosing specific types of car seater for Grab e-hailing service aimed at women drivers is essential for enhancing safety, comfort, and overall user experience. Here are the key reasons for this choice. First, safety consideration. Second, comfort and accessibility. The third, enhance user experience. Four, tailor marketing and branding, and the last one is support for family needs.
The next slide is about time to vote. We decide to combine all of our ideas, inform it into a companion application and update it.
Okay, sketching prototype. Okay, step 1. The first thing that the customer will see is the word GenC, which is the name of our own brand, and the icon of the car at the side is to show that this app about transportation. Step 2. Home. This is a home page where the user will see the word GenC as the button with each function. They concentrate on the profile stage or the emergency convenience with payment setting and history. Not only that, they also have the button for choosing the type of seat that the user wants, and if they're with the friends, they can choose type of seat according the quantity of seat that needed. Okay, step 3. Profile. At the profile screen, user will have to fill their information as needed that has been shown in the screen, which is a name, cell phone number, email, gender, and their email. And also, the driver can know about the passenger, and if the passenger left something in the car, the driver can contact them so that the passenger can take back their own thing. Not only that, if there's something happen suddenly to the passenger, the driver can contact the emergency number given at the profile. Okay, the last one of mine is a step 4 state. For the button city, the user can choose which state they are at. There is also that will be easier to decide their own location and at which state they are at. However, for states that are big such as Sabah and Sarawak, the customer still has to choose at which city they're at. For example, okay, if they click Sabah, they still have to choose their city as Kota Kinabalu, which is the city they are at. Okay.
Next, for our final sketch, I'm going to talk about type of seat. When the user want to order for transportation, they need to choose type of seat that they needed. The price started depend on the type of seat, and the price can change due to the how far the location is and also the traffic jam. So when the passenger want to order for their transportation, they can choose type of seat according to their need. For example, if the 3 people want to order for transportation together, they can choose type of seat of 1 to 4, since the limit is 4 people only, and they can pay for the transportation together. Like if the price is 6, they can divide it 2 ringgit each of them to pay for the transportation. Next, I'm going to talk about is the final step for order. When the user makes an order using this app, the screen that will appear is the same as the one shown at the prototype image, and the user just need to put the name or address at the word pickup button and the location where they want to go at the location button. However, when they do their order, they will need to turn on the share location to connect their apps so that it will be easier to know where their location at, and the driver know where they are at even if the pin is moving. Not only that, this screen also consists of the name of the driver, type of car, plate number, rating of the driver, and the picture of the person that will pick the passenger. There is also consists of edit button if they want to change their order. Click at the call button if they want to make a call with the driver. Chat button if they want to chat the driver, and cancel button if they want to cancel their order. Next is the final step for the cancel prototype. If the passenger want to cancel their order, the passenger still need to give a reason. So when they click on the cancel button, they need to choose the reason that suit their reason for canceling order according to the choice of reason that has been prepared, such as shown in the screen. They can click other as their reason if the other reason is not suitable.
Okay, move to the next step, which is step 8, is chat. Okay, if the user want to chat with the driver, the screen will appear when they click the button chat. Furthermore, when the driver or the user want to chat with each other using their own language that they understood, they can click the button with the capital T above to translate their chat automatically. And at the picture, we put 3 languages as example, which is Malay, English, and Chinese language. Okay, the sketching prototype for the step 9, which is a call. This screen will appear at the user's screen when calling the driver. There is a choice such as speaker if they want to change to speaker, video call if they want to change its video call, and if they want to record the conversation between themselves with the driver, they can click the button record. But if the user wants to mute the call for a little while, for a second, they can click on the button with the icon of mic in mute for mute the call, and click again to unmute if they want to go back with the call with the driver. Okay, move to the step 10, which is emergency. The image shows a user interface for an emergency application designed to help people in need of emergency assistance quickly and easily. The user interface displays 3 main options. The first one, sick and need to go to the hospital. This option is intended for female users who are experiencing a medical condition that require immediate medical attention. For example, a woman who is about to give birth, and a woman who have some panic attack, and other. Okay, the second one is urgent. This option is intended for female users who are in emergency situation that require immediate assistance, such as an accident or fire. And the third one is other. These options allow female user to provide additional information about their emergency situation that require immediate assistance.
Okay, the next slide is step 1. Step 1 is type of payment. The image displays a user interface for a mobile application that allows user to choose their preferred payment method, which is QR code. This option allows a user to make payment by scanning a QR code displayed by the seller. This payment method is becoming increasingly popular, especially in ASEAN countries, due to its ease and speed. And second, online banking. This option allows users to make payment directly from their bank account. This is a secure, convenient option. And lastly is this option allow user to make payment using cash. This is a traditional payment option. Okay, next step 12 about convenience. Here is describe of each icon. Shopping. This icon increases that the apps offer shopping service that provide assistance and guidance in choosing clothes, accessory, cosmetic, shoes, and other items according to women's style and needs. Women can enjoy a shopping experience guided by fashion expert to ensure the right and style choice. Second, food. This icon increases that the apps offer food ordering service that allow user to order from their favorite restaurant or food store and have it delivered to the designer address. And third, service. This icon increases that the apps offer service such as delivery of foods such as document repair service, electronic repairing, and personal service as laundry service and delivery. This icon ensures that the apps offer fast delivery service. And hotel. This icon increases that the apps offer hotel booking service. User can book hotel room directly through the apps without having to browse hotel website separately. And then user can also view picture, description, and viewers of the hotel before making a booking for them. Okay, the last one for me, step 13 about the story. The purpose of the visitor location history displayed to the smartphone screen is to navigation, help user return to previously visited location. For example, if user want to return to the place they are been to before, they can check their location history to find the address of the place. And the last one is trip planning. Help user plan future trip by looking at previously visit location. For example, if a user want to plan trip to Kota Kinabalu, they can check the location history to see place they've been to before. So that's all from me. Thank you. I will pass with next presenter.
Okay guys, I will continue the step. So as you can see here, this is setting, and in our setting we have 5 options like about, notification, help, register for drivers, and the last one is translation. For about, this option may display information about the app such as the app version, copyright, and developer information. For notification, this option may allow users to manage notification setting for the app such as turning notification on or off, choosing notification types, and setting notification frequency. For help, this option may provide access to help center or support for the app. User can find answer to common question, get guidance and on how to use the apps or contact the apps support team. Okay, next is register as driver. This option indicates that the apps may be related to transportation service such as taxi driving or delivery apps. This option allows user to register as driver for the apps. For report, this option may allow user to report any problem or issue they encounter with the app. User can type their reports into the provide textbooks. So the last step is rate. Below the message, there is a request to rate the app with 5 stars. This indicates that the GenC app has successfully completed the task or service request by the user. The app then ask the user to provide a rating for their experience with the apps.